My calendar's literally still set to March. The one day that I decide to film. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it is currently Tuesday, May 26th, and you're probably like, Clea, I thought this was a Sunday reset. It is. Basically, as you kind of already saw, the day that I was filming on, which was Sunday, it was raining so badly, and I did film an intro on that day, but everything about it was just busted. Sunday the 24th. It's Sunday, May. The lighting was non-existent, and honestly I have no clue what I was doing. Anyway, so I'm just filming the intro now, but this video was filmed on Sunday. Basically, I'm doing a little Sunday reset self-care day type thing. So I cleaned my room, prepared for the new week, and did like a hair mask and face mask and everything, shower, watched a movie. It was a super chill day. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's all from me for right now. Also, do we love the new Sonny Angel? It's a little Pomeranian. I'm not sure how I feel about it for like while I'm vlogging, but that's okay. But yeah, with all of that being said, let's get right into this video. It's Sunday, May 24th, and I actually just realized my calendar is literally still set to March. So let's just fix that right now. Anyways, I'll give you like a room tour. So, like, I just haven't made my bed. It's not that bad. Got my camera stand there. And then I've just got like clothes, and then my desk and my bedside table are not that great. In here is just like my makeup area, and my like hair area isn't that good either. And then honestly, this bit's pretty good. I did like a major room reset 2 weeks ago or something. It was so bad. I took literally everything out of my cupboards. I think I have a picture of like my floor because it was so bad. Yeah, so my room is fairly clean aside from like stuff on my floor and making my bed. And then I want to wipe my mirror just because I can, and I haven't wiped it in like a month. I would wash my sheets, but it's a bit too late for me to wash it and like also be done. I took off my silk pillowcase. This is just like my normal pillow, and that's in the wash. So I'm low-key just gonna make my bed and call it a day. I'm just gonna quickly clean my room, and then I can do more of the like fun stuff. I think I'm gonna start with the clothes on my floor. So it's currently 3:40 and my room is pretty much completely clean. I just need to wipe the mirrors, and I do eventually need to vacuum, but my little sister's sleeping at the moment, so I don't want to wake her up. So I'm gonna quickly wipe the mirrors now, and then that will be it for the little like room reset. Also, my dad is making bubble tea right now, and I'm so excited. So it is currently 5:20, and I actually just went shopping. I needed to pick up a birthday present. I didn't film anything, but I'm about to have dinner. But what I'm gonna do now is put coconut oil in my hair. It basically just makes your hair softer, and it's pretty much just like a natural hair mask. I can put like the benefits on the screen somewhere, but yeah, I kind of just leave it in for as long as I can be bothered, which will probably end up being like an hour or something. Also, this is so scary because of the Sonny Angel on my phone case. It doesn't just sit on the mirror like how I always have it, so I don't have my phone case on. I've already like dropped my phone like twice, but that's okay. Hopefully she'll survive. Okay, so I just had dinner and I've got the coconut oil marinating into my hair. The slick back is very slick. I want to leave it on for at least another 20 minutes. So I'm going to vacuum my floor and also put on a face mask just because I can. Doing all the masks tonight. Okay, so I have this face mask which I'm going to use. It's from the Body Shop. It's a matcha face mask and it just looks like that inside. And I just put it on my face with this brush and I'll just wash it off in the shower. So I'm going to put that on now. I just finished watching my movie and for reference it is currently 9:03 and I'm just about to get ready for bed. I'm just gonna do my skincare and my hair and then brush my teeth and I'll show you my nighttime skincare routine. To be honest, I don't really do anything. I just do this moisturizer and then this little cream thing for if you have any breakouts. And then I do lash serum and it's basically empty, so I do need to refill it. And then I just put pawpaw on my lips. Yeah, that's all that I do and I really can't be bothered to do anything to my hair. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna put it in a braid and I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail tomorrow.